Good day, friends! I'm glad you're back on our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something super important: diet myths. You've probably heard phrases like carbs make you fat or you need to eat every 2 hours to lose weight. But are these truly accurate? Let's find out the truth together as we debunk some of the most common diet myths. Get ready to be surprised. Myth 1. Eating carbs makes you fat. This is one of the biggest diet myths out there. Many people believe that eating bread, rice, or pasta will make them gain weight. However, here's the truth. The fact is that carbs are not the enemy. Your body actually needs carbohydrates for energy. The real problem is eating too much food, not just carbs. There are 2 types of carbs: healthy carbs like fruits, vegetables, brown rice, and oats. Cakes, cookies, and drinks with sugar are unhealthy carbs. So don't fear carbs. Simply select the best ones and consume the appropriate quantity. Myth 2. Skipping meals helps you lose weight. Many people skip breakfast and lunch in the hope that doing so will speed up their weight loss. But let's see what really happens. Fact: skipping meals can slow down your metabolism. It can also make you so hungry that you overeat later in the day. Eating regular healthy meals keeps your body active and your mind sharp. Try eating smaller portions throughout the day rather than skipping meals. This keeps your energy up and helps with weight control. Myth number 3. Every fat is bad. People often think that fat is something to avoid completely, but did you know that some fats are actually good for you? Fact: healthy fats are what your body needs to function properly. These fats help your brain, heart, and even your skin. Healthy fats are found in nuts and seeds, avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. So don't cut out fat completely. Just stay away from trans fats like those in fried foods and packaged snacks. Myth 4. You must eat every 2 hours to lose weight. You may have heard that eating small meals every 2 to 3 hours boosts your metabolism. But is that really true? Fact: it's not necessary to eat that often. How much you eat in a day is really important. Some people do well with 3 meals a day. Some people like smaller meals. Both are okay. Listening to your body and eating when you are truly hungry is the most important thing. Myth 5. Diet foods are always healthy. There are a lot of foods labeled diet, low-fat, and sugar-free on supermarket shelves. But are they really good for you? Fact: many of these foods are highly processed. When companies remove fat or sugar, they often add chemicals or extra salt to improve the taste. Instead of choosing diet snacks, try eating natural foods like fruits, veggies, and homemade meals. Whole foods are always superior to those that are processed. Myth 6. Drinking cold water burns calories. Drinking cold water can help you burn calories, according to some. It sounds interesting, but let's look at the science. Fact: yes, your body uses a small amount of energy to warm the water, but it's a very small amount, not enough to help you lose real weight. Water is good for you, but cold water won't work miracles. Drink water to stay hydrated, not to burn fat. Myth 7. You can spot reduce fat, like losing belly fat only. Who doesn't want a flat tummy, right? But can you really lose fat from just one part of your body? Fact: sadly, no. You can't choose where your body burns fat. When you lose weight, your body decides where the fat goes first. Which is best? Consuming a nutritious diet, doing full body workouts, getting sufficient sleep, and staying consistent. Myth 8. Eating healthfully is too expensive. Many people are prevented from beginning a healthy diet by this one. However, here's the truth. Fact: healthy food doesn't have to be expensive. Simple foods like brown rice, eggs, beans, seasonal vegetables, and fruits and oats are all extremely nutritious and affordable. You don't need fancy supplements or diet plans. Just stick to natural local foods and you're good to go. Final thoughts: don't believe everything you hear. There are many myths out there about dieting and weight loss, and to be honest, they can be very confusing. But now you know the truth behind some of the biggest diet lies. Remember, eat balanced meals, choose natural whole foods, be active, consume water. And most importantly, listen to your body. Eating healthy is not about being perfect. It all comes down to making better decisions each day. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun health tips. Which diet myth have you previously heard? Comment below. Let's bust it together. See you in the next video. Stay happy and stay healthy.